welcome back to StarrSoap's channel. How are you today? I'm doing good. Today I'm going to be remaking my black raspberry and vanilla star soap. That's right, black raspberry vanilla is a super popular fragrance. Everyone loves it and I just can't keep it in stock. So come with me and I'll show you how I'm going to make it this time. Squee! So, first things first, what do you think we're going to do? Yep, that's right, we're going to add the cooled lye water to the cooled oils. And this batch contains coconut milk and coconut cream instead of goat's milk. So I'm helping out the vegetarians today. Woohoo! So I'm going to bring everything to a light trace because I have an idea for how this design's going to go down. It's going to be a little bit different to every other batch that I've done of black raspberry vanilla. Exciting! So if you know much about soap making, then you will know that any fragrance that contains vanillin, has any kind of a vanillin content, can turn your soap brown. And I've been playing around with this, and if you've watched my other black raspberry vanilla videos, then you'll know this. Sometimes I have cut the recommended rate in half of how much fragrance oil I should put in with my oils, and sometimes that's managed to tame the discoloration. I've even been told by a lovely local soaper that I can buy black raspberry vanilla from a different supplier and it won't discolor, but as luck would have it, I've got a huge bottle of the one that does discolor and I got to get through it. So what I'm going to do in this batch is I'm separating out my beautiful colors with my gorgeous micas. We've got pink berry, black magic and purple berries, and all of these micas and all of that soap is going to be left unscented, including a portion of white soap. And the only part that's going to be scented is the base. So into the base I'm going to be adding some berry pulp that I prepared using cranberries that grow on a bush at the end of our driveway, and I just took them and blitzed them up and then froze them. So I've just taken some of that pulp and let it defrost, added a little bit of olive oil and mixed it all together, and now I'm just pouring the soap batter in with that. I'm going to give it a good mix in with this jug and make sure all of the pulp is really well incorporated into the soap before I take that and add it back into the big jug and keep mixing it, because the main part of my soap is going to have the pulp in it and the fragrance in it. That way if it discolors and goes brown, it won't matter. I'll have all these beautiful bright colours on top. So hopefully this works out. Well, let's see how it goes.
Could bring, 'cause I had you. You made all my dreams come true. Yeah. In a world that's full of tears, I will come and I will wipe away the years. For I am woman, ask for more. In my arms you will be, with my love we can soar. We'll soar. I gave everything, joy and love that I bring to you. But what for do I do in a world that's full of tears? You gotta believe that I will come and wipe away the years. For I am woman, hear me roar. In my arms you will be, yeah, with my love we can soar. Yeah, we can soar. my love we can soar, we'll soar. I gave everything, all the joy and love that I bring to you. But what for do I do in a world that's full of tears? You gotta believe that I will come and wipe away the years. For I am woman, hear me roar. In my arms you will be, yeah, with my love we can soar, yeah, we can soar. La 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 la, la 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 la.
Okay, so now that all of our soap is in the mould, I'm going to go ahead and I've already done a hanger swirled it. I've already done a hanger swirl in there. Now I'm going to go along with the leftover colours and make some little lines across the top so I can do a pretty swirly top. Now I must admit that my pretty swirly top in some of the recent batches has been covered up by whatever toppers I've done, but this time I've just got some really simple little berries. I hummed and hawed about whether or not to keep some white soap to pipe on top to look like cream with the berries on top of that, but I decided that nah, I'm not going to bother doing the piped top. I loved how wicked all the colours came out, so I put them all in a jug and did an in the pot swirl and then poured that into a couple of my skull moulds. So they look super cool. They're really bright and vibrant, those skulls, but they have no fragrance at all. So yeah, I'm not so sure what I'm going to do with those, whether or not I'll keep them for myself or gift them or sell them. It's kind of odd for me to have soap that is not scented. But you never know, there might be someone who loves it and doesn't, you know, can't have the scent and wants a pretty soap. So now we're going to go ahead and put the toppers on. I've got some blueberries and some purple berries that I just made using a little bit of leftover cold processed soap from a previous batch, and pouring it into these little berry moulds that I bought, or actually hubby bought them for me, and he couldn't get me like one big mould with lots of different cavities, so instead we just got lots of single ones. So I've got lots of little individual moulds and I can make my berries, and I think they look awesome. I really like the little touch they give on the top, and they don't cover up that swirl too much, which is really cool. So as you know, these soaps have to sit overnight for about 20 to 24 hours before we can cut them. So we're going to jump ahead by the magic of the movie movie magic, and we're going to be back the next day ready to cut these soaps and see how they turned out. I for one am pretty anxious to see how this new design worked out. I'm hoping that you can still see a lot of the pulp, the berries in there, and that hopefully you can see a pretty swirl with the colours. So let's cut them and find out. It looks so cool. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. It looks so pretty and cool. I'm so happy with the new design of black raspberry. Oh my gosh.
All the joy that love could bring love, we can soar, we'll soar. I gave everything, all the joy and love that I bring to you. But what for do I do in a world that's full of tears? You gotta believe that I will come and wipe away the years. For I am woman, hear me roar. In my arms you will be, yeah, with my love we can soar, yeah, we can soar. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. In a world that's full of tears.
Alright, I think it's pretty safe to say that was a success. Haha! I feel like I hit the holy grail of soap swirls. Some of these swirls look like butterflies. So here is that in the pot jug that I was talking about, and some beautiful pictures of the wet soap in the mould before I put the toppers on, and also after I put the toppers on. And I really love how both of the loaves are a bit unique, and they look a bit different. I've got a purpley topped one and a red topped one. So I got a bit artsy and I did some cool photos, and this is sort of how they turned out. I tried to show the top as well as these amazing swirls that I got inside. I think these soaps will have a bit of a scrub to them as well, which I personally really love, and the scent is gorgeous. I swear the fruit pulp helped to anchor that scent. This week I'd like to highlight Janine Wilson and her collection of amazing soapy cupcakes that she shared with us over on our group on Facebook called StarrSoapy Family. I love this. Look at all the different cupcakes. They're so gorgeous. We love what you do, Janine. Keep it up, girlfriend. And if you've got a picture that you'd like to come and share with us, then come along and join the group over on Facebook, StarrSoapy Family, and feel the soapy love. Bye!